For more than 35 years as a nurse, including caring for people at the end of their lives through hospice, I've had the privilege of witnessing what matters most to people at the end of their lives. And what I've learned is that most people don't regret not working harder or accomplishing more. What they regret is abandoning themselves. They've put their dreams on hold. They've stayed silent. They have forgotten their own value and worth. They've turned over their lives basically for caring for others, and they've lost themselves. That realization changed my life, and today I help people reconnect with who they truly are so they can live more fully, authentically, and intentionally. Through workshops, circles, and one-on-one sessions, I guide people in reclaiming their voice, honoring their value, and reconnecting with the wisdom already within. My work combines decades of nursing experience, spiritual psychology, new thought ministry, and my own journey of healing and self-discovery. If you've been feeling disconnected from yourself, questioning your next chapter in life, or longing to live more meaning and joyfully, I'd love to connect with you. Because really, it's never too late to come back home to yourself and begin living life fully from the inside out.